Okay, today you're going to be looking at how to change informal writing to more formal writing, which is one of the things that students tend to struggle with. We like to write the way we speak, which is great if you're using dialogue. However, when you're writing an essay, not so hot. So I'm going to do a few examples with you to show you how to fix them or how to change them to make it sound more formal and in some ways more stuffy. The first one I have is, how you doing? Well, okay, we're not going to ask that in a formal situation, so it would be more along the lines of, how are you feeling? The next example is, what's up, doc? Again, not something we would really say. You may say, what are the results, doctor? Where you're asking for more information. And finally, the last one is when somebody says, I don't know. That's okay not to know, but it's better to say in a formal situation, I do not understand. These are the two differences. You can still ask questions in a more formal way, but know that the slang and the text language, they don't belong in formal writing.